So a lot of guys, they want to run a top mount intercooler, and in order to do so you need the round outlet style T3 compressor housing. A lot of guys will advertise that they have an SVO turbo for sale, but you need to realize that this will not bolt up because it has the 2-bolt flange. That's why we are always asking, does it have a 2-bolt flange? So this is a 2-bolt flange, and this is the round outlet if you're going to run a front or top mount intercooler. But can you actually make this one work for you? Yes, you can. Basically, what's going to happen is it's going to rotate this way so that you can get to the top mount. But as you see the bolts for the outlet here, it's going to rotate the snout downward. You see how this one, if I move just slightly, you can see the difference in the mounting holes and which way your snout will be facing. Now in some cases it's not a big deal if it's facing down and the accordion hose is just running to the VAM. I don't like that because under heavy boost sometimes the hose will collapse and cause you issues. So what I do is I use the Grand National snout because it bolts right to it and it's a round outlet. Or you can basically find these on eBay too. I think they're like $35, $45. Now I want to show you guys, look, this is what I do. This is the most cost-effective way to get this done. You mark it off like you want to make it round. Okay? Then you take your handy dandy your grinder and you grind it off. Okay? I'm going to do that real quick, show you guys how long this takes to make this. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses, please guys. I can't tell you guys enough. Put your safety glasses on. You don't want any of these chips flying into your eyes. Come on out of there. Okay, and then you do that on both sides. Let's get this other side off. Do when you're holding the phone at the same time. See, now I've grounded both the ears off Now what I do is I take my grinder and I go around and make it a round lip. That's really all you need to do. Okay, go back around it a few times, make it nice and round. And what I also do is I'll take the grinder and create a little lip around the outside, like this. See? And I'll create a little lip. That way when you put the silicone hose on it and the T-clamp, it'll lock it in there tight, and you can literally handle 30 pounds of boost with it. So that's it. Simple, quick. It took me about, what, 10 minutes because I had to hold the phone with one hand and grind with the other. Just imagine how fast you would do it if you didn't have to do it that way.